Hi guys, good afternoon everybody. And today I'm recording this video for giving a review of a book. The book is Take Me Away. Rishabh Bansal is the author, and it is one of the best selling books in Amazon now. It is trending now in Amazon. But I want to say something about this book. Really, it is very awesome, and I grabbed this book from Amazon and I explored it completely. I explored the feeling of love, romance, emotions, everything. Everything is in it, and every emotions just touched my heart, and each words and each line and each content of this book really touched my heart because I just lived the life of characters of this book. The main characters are Ayan and Anaya. This is a love story based on their life, and I just lived the life of Anaya for a few days while reading this one, because and I didn't read this as a story. I just lived the life of Anaya, and I explored the feeling of romance, love, sadness, depression, everything, each and everything I felt in this book, and I really lost in this book because I can't resist my emotions, and I can't resist my feelings, and I can't resist my eagerness to read further. So I completed it so fastly, and this is one of the best book I read recently, and it is awesome. No words to say. I am speechless and breathless when I completed the reading of this book. I really felt I'm I'm completely lost in Ayan and Anaya. I don't know why, because there are a lot of places which are so inspiring, and the mother of Ayan, Ayan's mother is such a superb lady. She inspires her son at each and every moment. And Anaya is a stubborn girl. When At the beginning, we start we actually uh, came to get know about her as a stubborn girl, but inside she is not stubborn. She is very sensitive, and she has a lot of feelings towards Iron, and that romantic feelings and that love made this book awesome. And all the sweet moments they spend together are expressed in such a way that uh, we all wish to live like Anaya, and we all wish like to have a partner like Iron. If there is a partner like Iron, every girl, each and every girl should wish to be Anaya and uh, live with Iron. Every girl wish that. Every girl will wish that if a person like Iron comes to you, then you will surely fall for him, no doubt. He's the character Iron and Anaya made this Take Me Away awesome, and no words to say. Thank you, Rishabh ji. Thank you for giving such a wonderful piece of writing to audience. You are you do your duty, or you are perfect in writing this one. This is very romantic and very emotional, and this is the best book which I read recently. So thank you so much, Rishabh ji, and no words to say. speechless. I'm completely speechless.